Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome. And this is episode 9 of... Is it EB Videos still or EB Vids now?
Well, that's very true. We may switch. You'll find out later. But yeah,
spicy.
episode number 9.
Episode 9, right? We're
What a
almost...
journey.
Yeah, the last one of the single digit. Digit? What's a digit?
There's a single number.
Oh, like 1 to 9 is 1 digit, right? And then 10 to 99, that's 2 digits, right?
Is 0 considered a digit?
I think so. I think
Yeah.
so. I mean, it's more about the number of numbers.
That's it.
Anyway, let's get on topic. So today's topics are actually 2. So the first topic for today is...
Cleaning.
Cleaning. And in particular for us European folk, and I guess Americans too, usually it's spring cleaning. So basically this season. And actually, it's kind of late, already late for it.
That's it.
I think in Japan it's end of year cleaning, right?
It is. It's in winter.
Yeah, right. So before the year
confusing for me.
changes,
That's
the
it.
Solzi as they call it. All right, and the other topic is
Hoarding.
hoarding. One more time.
Hoarding.
Hoarding. Let's see what's that about. Okay, so let's go. First things first.
Cleaning.
Cleaning.
I hate cleaning.
To be honest, I'll be honest. Like, I kind of like organizing things, and I kind of like putting things
In
where
their
they
place.
should be. Yes. But I'm also pretty bad at keeping rooms tidy, so I need to work on that. Anyway.
It's really dull, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, it's something we have to do though. So, spring cleaning, how is it in England?
Usually spring cleaning begins probably beginning of March.
Okay.
Into probably the back end of April.
So the end of April,
That's
right?
it.
Okay. Beginning of March in England, how cold or how warm is it?
Yeah, it's a great point. It's still cold, but it's getting a little warmer. So the season's starting to change. Everyone's getting a little bit more positive. The smiles are slowly starting to come out because winter in England is very cold, wet, windy, and dark.
Gloomy.
So that's exactly.
Yeah.
So
So
it's a bit more positive.
That's good. Yeah, I mean, one of the reasons, maybe if you're wondering why spring, is actually because the air gets warmer. So you can open up all the windows, all the doors. We say in English to air out the house, right? So let the fresh air come in, the old air go out. In my country, we do it traditionally on the first week of Lent. Is a religious Christian holiday. Anyway, between March and I guess early April, depending on the year, is when we do the spring cleaning. And there is a holiday called the Clean Monday.
Clean Monday.
The Clean Monday.
What is a Clean Monday, George?
So Clean Monday is a Greek holiday by which you have to have cleaned the house before that. And on Clean Monday, you open up the house, bring out a table. We have a traditional meal that has no meat, no milk or yogurt or cheese or dairy products.
Wow.
And no eggs. But we have lots of other like seafood and things we eat and special bread and everything. And we fly a kite. We say Japanese taco. So we fly a kite.
A taco?
No, not an octopus.
Like an octopus?
Fly an octopus. Take an octopus.
Okay, so you have a kite. Does everyone have a kite, or do you share one kite? What's that?
I think every family has at least one.
Okay.
Yeah, so...
Does it have any... Well, I'm not sure. Does it have any meaning? Or any sort of... I don't know.
I
Anything
think...
to resemble?
I think it's supposed to welcome the new blue skies. So you kind of decorate the now beautiful blue sky. And it also has a sense of like blue and white has a meaning of cleanliness in my country.
Sure.
So like the white clouds and the blue. So it's kind of all kind of color connected. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. Very interesting. Wow, I mean, there's nothing so special in England. It's more just, now I have to clean because there's a day connected to it. And so it's very basic cleaning. So usually all the family tries to get involved, and usually you'll clean things you don't normally clean, like the windows or the
curtains.
The curtains, yeah, that's it. Or the fan that the extractor fan.
Oh, the extractor fan
for your cooker or oven or something like that. So the things you wouldn't normally want to clean is like, oh, okay, I should probably clean this one once a year.
I see. And you were telling me that it's a bit commercialized in England, right?
Yeah, you're right. That's a good point. So usually in England, the time leading up to spring cleaning, there'll be a lot of advertising about new cleaning products. This one's so much better than your old ones. Or even things like TV programs about the best ways to clean or the cheapest ways to clean. So all they're trying to do is just motivate or get people into the spirit of cleaning.
Cleaning everything. I see.
So Georgie, at home, do you clean a lot? Or does the wife clean? Or your new baby? Have you got the baby boy cleaning yet?
So here's the thing, okay?
Okay.
I really don't mind cleaning, and I happily do it, but I often don't notice. So if my wife tells me, "Oh, George, can you clean this, this, and this?" Okay, no problem, and I clean them.
Oh, okay.
But if she doesn't say anything,
you're like, "Oh, this is okay."
Mountains of it. This is fine. So yes, I do like a little bit of cleaning, but I should do more of it.
Sure.
And part of cleaning is also what we say in English, clean out. So cleaning out, how do we explain that thing, clean out?
Cleaning out, I would say it's probably getting rid or throwing away old things you don't really use or need anymore. And hence our second topic, hoarding.
So let's take what is a good cleaning out is, let's say you open your closet or you have like a box full of old coupons and stuff and toys and pens and stationery, a garage full of old tools and some random plant.
Or even old books or magazines or newspapers you don't throw away or things like this.
Right, so a good cleaning out, you decide, okay, these clothes I don't need, these books I don't need, and you throw them out.
Or recycle even.
Or recycle them, very good, yes.
But
But
there are some people, maybe yourselves, but keep it a secret, who are hoarders. Now, a hoarder is a type of person who will keep everything. Don't throw it away just in case you might need it.
Just in case. Let's look up that phrase. Just in case.
That's it. So this means you'll have piles and piles and piles of things in your home. That makes it very difficult to, one, clean your home, or two, to move around your home.
Yes. And often this person, they call them a hoarder, feels a connection to those items. They're very important to them. So it's very difficult for them to throw them out. And often they're hoarders of one category of thing, like book hoarders or...
That's very true, yeah. Or, I mean, could be anything. I had a friend who would hoard old, like CDs or cassettes or VHS tapes or things like this.
These things are bulky, they're big, right?
Very big, yeah. So they take up a lot of space in his house, but you're right, he had a lot of like value, connected to these items.
Yeah. I think one of the worst ones is pet hoarding or animal hoarding.
What?
Yeah, so there are people who just keep pets. Let's say they like cats or they like dogs, and they get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 dogs, and then the dogs have babies and they keep all the babies. And there are some sad situations, like in America, they went into a family's house and they actually found 300 dogs, small dogs.
300 dogs
in a house.
In one house.
In one family house. Yeah.
Was it how many? Was it one guy or was it a family?
A family.
No way.
Yeah. I mean, a couple. Sorry, not children. Thankfully.
Wow. That smell must have been incredible.
Yeah. So I saw a similar TV show, but they would go in with like masks and,
Gas mask.
yeah, basically like chemical weapons were inside, it was really intense.
No way, that is crazy.
Anyway.
It goes out of control, right?
It goes out of control. So, of course, many people can hoard something that's very small, very innocent, like pens, or collect like masking tapes, decorating tapes.
Yeah.
I think that's kind of an innocent, like
Sure.
cute hoarding, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because it can be often linked to things like collections, right? You collect things for a hobby. Many people collect maybe stamps or coins or things like this.
Right.
I think in moderation, I think it's fine, isn't it? But as we said,
It can
too
be.
much.
Yeah. Do you know anyone who was a hoarder?
Well, actually, I used to hoard video games.
Oh,
So old, like video game boxes.
okay.
I would keep a lot of those in one of my cupboards, and I'd have piles and piles of old. We call them like Super Nintendo, or you may call it Super Famicom. And I'd have lots and lots of mint condition boxes.
Wait, mint condition? What's that?
So, great question. Mint condition means perfect condition. No scratches, no bends, no breaks. Even maybe the plastic wrap is still over those boxes.
Okay, now I'm gonna stop here because that one I wouldn't call it hoarding because those things can sell for a lot of money. So that's more of an investment, okay? That's a different. So yeah.
But well, I'll tell you, my parents definitely thought it was hoarding because they would often complain and be like, "You're taking up too much space with these games boxes." But
yeah.
in the end, you sell them. And you can get rid of them. How about you, Georgie? Do you know anyone?
My mom, to a point, she used to basically hoard room decorations and things for the home, and actually even small furniture.
Oh wow!
Like there would be a room downstairs full of furniture that we might use at some point.
If guests come.
If guests come, yeah. If an army decides to stop by our house. But I guess when we did have our wedding reception in our house, they did prove useful, so yay. Go, Mom.
Success. She was like, I knew it would come true.
The day has come.
Anyway, guys, how about you?
Yes, tell us about your own experiences. Do you know someone who was hoarding? What do you think of the concept of spring cleaning? Which, as a final note, but we eat a lot of cookies and crackers and biscuits and things. If you don't do your spring cleaning, you're gonna have ants and flies and cockroaches in your house when summer comes. So you better do your spring cleaning.
Oh, look at that finger. That's a scary finger.
So, yes, let us know what you think about spring cleaning and about hoarding in the comments below. Like always, if you like.
And subscribe if you have the time.
So,
Thanks very much, guys.
see you next time.
Take care.
See ya.
See you later.